They more wicked with the tunes.
Hi everybody, we're gonna make pizza.
Here's a list of ingredients that you'll need to make your homemade pizza. First, let's make the dough. Add 2 envelopes of active dry yeast to 1 1/2 cups of warm water. Now add 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix well. Next, add in 1/4 cup olive oil and give that a whisk. Take 4 cups of flour and add about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Slowly mix your dry ingredients with your wet ingredients. I add about 1/2 cup of flour at a time, and then I keep mixing it in until my dough starts to form. Continue to do this until all flour is incorporated and dough starts to form. Now place your dough on a floured surface. You're going to knead your dough for about 10 minutes. If dough starts to stick to your surface, sprinkle with flour and continue. Now it's safe to let the kids get involved.
It's kind of like a Play-Doh.
It's kind of like Play-Doh. It's called pizza dough. When your 10 minutes are up, form your dough into a ball. Place your dough in a bowl that has been greased with olive oil. Drizzle a little extra olive oil on top and cover with plastic wrap. Let your dough rise for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Leave it somewhere where it's kind of warm. After about 1.5 hours, your dough should at least double in size. Remove the plastic wrap, then scrape dough off the sides of the bowl. Divide your dough into 4 different sections. Take one of the sections and begin to press it out on a greased pizza pan or stone. Now we can build our pizza. First, take your pizza sauce and spread it all over the top of your dough. Feel free to make fresh pizza sauce, but today we're going store-bought. Now take your mozzarella cheese and sprinkle it on top of the sauce. Add as much as you like. Now it's time for the toppings. Now everyone has their go-to toppings. Here are a few of ours. Baby Kevin likes extra pepperoni. Finish it off with some Italian seasoning. And now it's time for the oven. Bake your pizza in the oven on 375 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. This has been Kev in the Kitchen. Until next time.